In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see Wi-Fi password on your Samsung phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to head over to Settings. To do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at that gear. After that, go to Connections and then Wi-Fi. That's where we can easily find Wi-Fi network I'm currently connected to, and if we hit right here at that gear, we'll be taken to that connection settings where we can easily see that password item, and as you can see, the password is now hidden. However, we can easily tap right here at that icon to unhide it. Keep in mind that it will ask you to confirm your identity by entering PIN code or drawing a pattern just like that. And here it is. Now it reveals that password. To copy it to the clipboard, we just need to long press on it, and now it says that it's been copied to the clipboard. Now we can share it with anyone. And also, guys, if you want to know the password for a network you are not currently connected but have been connected to before, then you need to go back here to the Wi-Fi page. After that, tap right here at these three dots and then go to Advanced Settings. After that, tap at Manage Networks, and it will show you all the networks you've been ever connected if its data is saved. Here I got a couple of networks, and I can just enter that one, and now then in the same way we can hit right here to reveal that password. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.